Today we are going to be troubleshooting our pteroTimer, making sure our pterodactyl spawn is working correctly. So the way this works in the original is it takes however many vultures are alive on screen, and I think it gives it about 20 seconds per vulture. So if there's only one vulture, after 20 seconds, our pterodactyl should spawn. And then if there's more vultures, if there's 3 vultures, you know, that's about a minute before the pterodactyl comes on. So pterodactyl should come on any second now, if this is working right. So yeah, let's just debug. We should have a pterodactyl on screen already. There he is. It might be too late. Let's just see. We go in our play state and we find our pteroTimer. We get 20 seconds per alive vulture count. So let's print up this pteroTimer. Yeah, let's print up our pteroTimer in our render function here. So we don't really have a spot where we're rendering debugging right now, but just put it. We don't want to put it under where we render the background, so we'll put it right here. We'll say that graphics. We're already setting the color to white, so we should be able to get away with just saying lab.graphics.print. And what we're printing is our pteroTimer, and we want to concatenate our actual variable pteroTimer into a string, so that we can print that up. We want to print that up at 5.5 maybe. Then, let's see. Yeah, pteroTimer is jacked. Should be 20 seconds per vulture that's alive. See, so that's right. Like, it was at 40 and then it was 20, but that's wrong. Okay. Why does pteroTimer go up to be a huge number? Because with 5 vultures at wave 2, yeah, it should be 5 times 20, which is 100 seconds. So we might have our vulture count incorrect still. I remember at some point we were trying to get that working again. I don't know if we fixed it or not. Vulture count, put it 10 pixels lower. We'll put it 15 pixels lower. Okay, vulture count seems to be working. Okay, it seems to be working. But we take a look at what happens when we kill all but one. So we'll take this egg, and then we'll kill another vulture. So that means pteroTimer is 20 seconds. Ah, I wanted to let that egg hatch, actually. Because I want... The pteroTimer should increase by the time a raised tier spawns. I think that's how the original would do it. Let's kill this guy and not take his egg. Okay, so look, pterodactyl's gonna spawn in 12 seconds, but once we spawn here, yeah, we don't actually add our 20 seconds until we die. So we need to add our pteroTimer getting increased if there is a successful jockey absorption by a taxi. So we'll find our taxi jockey collision, and if we do in fact collide, we'll add our 20 seconds into pteroTimer. And then I also want to put... I also think I just want to floor our pteroTimer. So wherever we use pteroTimer, where's the last time we use it? Here. I think I just want to math.floor. Well, this is if we're exploded. Okay, yeah, not here. Want to... It's not really necessary I floor it. Just wanted to look prettier when I'm debugging, I guess, yeah. See, so what's... Wow, what's up with that? Why does it start at 180, which is what I really don't get? Okay, we started at 0. We add a pteroTimer of 20 for every enemy amount in our spawn enemies function. So why does it go up to 180? If we're exploded and... Huh. pteroTimer gets reset there. What is this times 20 minus 20 doing here? Okay, I'm very confused why we're getting... Like, if we take this out in our spawn enemies amount, we don't get any increase to our pteroTimer. Unless we kill... What? Oh, see, we don't want pteroTimer plus 20. Yeah, man, why would that get us all the way up to 180? That doesn't make any sense to me. Where is that happening? Because on wave 3, it should be just 60 seconds, not 180. Because there's only 3 vultures at 20 seconds a pop, so... Where's the 180 happening? Oh, okay, yeah. So anytime we do this, we're just taking away. We should just say pteroTimer gets itself minus 20. We don't have to do any of this. I think we can just simplify that like this. Say, hey, just subtract 20 from your pteroTimer because you have 1 less living vulture. So... we're still at 180 for some reason. It's gotta be right here. Right here is gotta be the only time we're doing it. What if we put +1 here? 8. Now, why is that the case? When are we doing our spawn enemies for the first time? We're doing it here in wave 1. Oh, we run this. Okay, here's the problem. We're spawning enemies every single... Okay, let me take a look at our spawn enemies function. What we're doing here is for every parameter we give it for our enemy amount, it's going to loop through that amount of things and say a vulture spawn point index gets a random number. It's going to instantiate a vulture at that random spawn point index, and then it's going to increase our pteroTimer. So we don't need to run that function every single frame. That's what we need to do. I think we need to do it once here. This should give us a 3 on the pteroTimer now. Yes, that's right. Now, what if we floor it there right when we do it? Yeah, what if we floor it right there? We say pteroTimer gets a math.floor of our pteroTimer. It's still not rounding it out. Huh. That's weird to me. Nope. Okay. What if we also say, okay, pteroTimer gets math.floor of the pteroTimer here. Fuck. Okay. Okay. We're not flooring it. What the? It's not that big a deal. And actually what we can do, I'm going to say we give ourselves the correct value here, 20 seconds per alive vulture, right? But then when we go to print it up, that's when we floor it. When we go to print it up here, go ahead and print up a math.floor of our pteroTimer. Then we're rocking. Yep. So wave 1. Oh, we're not actually spawning our enemies anymore, though. Oh, God. Shit. Okay. It's because we moved our spawn enemies out. But okay. Why was that the wrong amount of vultures though? No, 60. Okay. Oh, it's because I killed him right away. Okay. Yeah, you kill a vulture. This whole method is to get a vulture, or get a pterodactyl soon. You know, if there's one vulture out. See, we need to add the 20 seconds back there. It's just to kind of get a fire under your butt. If the vulture is only one vulture, you only have 20 seconds before the pterodactyl comes. So you can't just dilly-dally. Another thing I'm not liking is this on this, what, platform 5 this is? This middle bottom platform. Just has like a 1 pixel weirdness to it that I am not liking. But one thing at a time, we're going to give ourselves the pteroTimer increase if a taxi successfully picks up the jockey. So we're going to go to our taxi. Jockey collision? No. Let's just say what? Taxi to jockey collision, okay. If we collide, send our taxi to the graveyard, send our jockey to the graveyard, okay. The last thing we want to do is say pteroTimer gets itself plus 20 seconds to spare, because there's another live thing on the board, so that should give us 20 seconds back if the taxi upgrades into another vulture. And then one thing I want to fix is in our rendering of our platforms, yeah, it's in the right half that this is messing up. It's just this 1 pixel right here that I don't like. Because you could see it's cutting off. Like, that's how it's drawing. It's drawing the right edge over the left edge, and it's cutting off right there, and I don't like it. It's not smooth. So what we can do is we can shorten that. We can shorten that platform by 1, and that'll fix it. Or we could redo the render for it. I think if we just shorten that platform by 1, it'll take care of what's bugging me. So I believe it's platform 5. X, Y, width will go to a 69 width. Okay? Much better. That looks better to me. Okay. Okay, so we've got working pteroTimer now. And look at, we get 20 seconds on the clock once that upgraded, so that's working. I'm gonna see if I can't kill this guy facing the wrong way, facing the same way as him. See if we can kill him, and we can't. Oh my god. It's the only difference is you can kill him facing this way if I come in like from the top or something like this. But I guess that's fine. It's just that I don't have perfect collision. Oh, see, and then why is this 312 on the pteroTimer now? Oh, no, it's right. Why did it get set up wrong? Let's look at our pteroTimer for our wave 2, I guess. Wave 2. Really? Okay. 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 I don't know why it went to be such a high number and then reset back to correct. I don't get that. But See, look, 318, but then by the time all the vultures are spawned... No, it's still... Yeah, I mean... What the heck? 4 vultures at 20 seconds a pop should be 80 seconds on the pteroTimer, yet this is jacked. What if we reset our pteroTimer to be equal to 0? I mean, it should be 0, and then... Once we hit the spawn enemies, what are we doing for our wave 1 spawn enemies? Oh, we just took it out here. Okay. Yep. So we'll just take this out, put it right here, and then we should be okay. Same thing with wave 3. Because we can't spawn 4 enemies 4 different times. That's what the purpose of this function. So we were just overriding all those function calls we were doing. But this should have it correct now. Oh my... See, why was there a vulture right there? Why was there a vulture right there? Why did that vulture... Why did that pterodactyl come out so soon? See, that's not right. It shouldn't be. It should be reset. Okay, that's looking right. Other than the fact that if we have 2 vultures, right? We have at least 40 seconds. Okay, I see what it is. Yeah, it was that line we just changed. And our jumping. Okay, I know what it is though. It was the line we thought we were getting smart and deleted, but it wasn't smart. So what we did was we set, this isn't it, here, the first minus 20. We're setting it to be 20 seconds less, but we need to set it to our current alive vultures times 20 minus 1, because our vulture isn't dead yet. So it's exactly what we used to have it. There was a reason we did that. So it's just vulture count times 20, and then it was minus 20, because our vulture count wasn't taking into account the vulture that was just killed. So anytime we're doing our pteroTimer, like this, we want to say this instead. I feel like there's another time we did that. Because if we've got 2 vultures, 40 seconds on the pteroTimer clock, we get down to 1 second. If we kill 1 vulture, it doesn't spawn the pterodactyl right away, even though the pterodactyl was just about to spawn. The fact that they killed the second to last vulture is enough to be like, okay, you're playing, so now there's only 1 vulture in our vulture count, so give us 20 seconds on the clock. So that should be right now. $39 on the clock. Now watch this. We'll wait till this gets low. We'll wait till this gets under 20, and then we'll kill 1, and it should go up to 20, because we have 1 left. Okay, so we're under 20. Now, if we kill a vulture, we don't want this pterodactyl spawning in 10 seconds, because you are playing in... So see how it went up to 20? Because we killed something, there was 1 left. So it delays that ptero spawn for another 20 seconds, which is fair. And then let's just make sure Taro does in fact spawn at its spawn time. And it does. Cool. Alright, so we've got the pteroTimer figured out better. We fixed a little bug, or a little pixel that was bugging us. Let's take a look at our notes. We need to do that. We tried this. I'm going to take this out because I wasn't liking that, how that came out. But I think you know, I'm gonna check the original to see what a taxi pickup would look like in that tricky spot. And then if mine is similar to how that one acts, then we're totally good. This is what we were doing. Okay. Let me just move some of these things around. Okay. So tomorrow I think we're going to be doing we did this yesterday. You know, tomorrow we should do this at our flames. We're burning away ground platform. That would be fun. And then we should add the successful wave clear to our score upon a successful wave clear. That should be fun. Very easy. And then we can do a couple of these things. Some of these things are just thoughts that I wrote down and we won't end up doing them, but tomorrow at least we'll get that done. And then what else? We really need to check the scores. We really need to check the scores. It's just really tough to make sure that's working correctly. So I'm a little hesitant to do that, but it's because it's hard. I don't want to do it, so we should just do it. Okay, well, we got a little update done. We take a look at our get diff. It was very simple. What we did was fix that pixel. We took our spawn enemies out of the loop because we were overriding it every time. That was giving us the pteroTimer bug, so we fixed that, and then we... Oh, see, look, we did miss one. We missed here on line 346 in our update. Yeah, right here. We did miss it. We need to say that we get vulture count times 20 minus 20. Okay. Okay. Yep, and then we added another bug we missed, which was adding to our pteroTimer upon a jockey upgrade. We've got some debugging, so yeah, not a big day, but still recovering from Rona, so don't have too much energy. Tomorrow we'll do the Bernie platform, which will look really cool. And then We'll glance at our notes a little deeper tomorrow too, and determine what of those notes we're gonna dig deeper in and see if we can fix. And then if we decide we're done with that, or once we're done with that, we'll probably move on to the lava troll or the egg wave. So that's gonna be fun because the lava troll is gonna be the last feature, other than the high score, adding high score to our game. But yeah, we're making good progress, and we're almost done with Joust, man. It's been about just over 2 years of commits on this project, teaching myself how to make it. I am really happy with the result. And then hopefully, we'll get touch controls so that I can put this game on a tablet so I can take it and show my family and everything. That would be fun. We're just gonna say fixed pteroTimer. Okay, I'll catch you guys tomorrow for some more programming, and we'll get some fun stuff done tomorrow before we finish up this whole project. Should be fun.